What's going on, guys? Balkan Architect here, and I sincerely hope that you're enjoying the holiday season. Now, in that holiday spirit, I decided to team up with Competitions Archi to bring to you this amazing giveaway where you will get a chance to win this this amazing architecture competition yearbook for 2019. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about this giveaway first, how you can enter and how can you possibly win this great book. And then after that, I'm going to be talking about some of my own plans for 2020 and plans for this channel. So stay tuned for that. Now, as a young architect, I always found the format of the architectural competition extremely beneficial for developing your own style and your own sensibilities when it comes to architecture. The format of the architectural competition gives you the freedom that you're just not going to have when it comes to working with clients. Now, when it comes to these competitions, it's always really good to see, well, what the competition is up to and what the competition is doing. So drawing inspiration from some of the previous competitions has always been crucial for my personal development as an architect and just developing my own personal style. Now, when it comes to drawing inspiration and using online resources to do so, it can be really difficult. Constantly we're bombarded by these beautiful images of beautiful architecture, but they rarely tell the full story. And I just found in my own personal development that understanding the full story, what exactly did the architect try to do? What is the complete project? Not just one beautiful rendering or maybe a nice floor plan, but the whole story, the whole project. That's what's important, and that's what can really help you along your way of developing your personal style. So having a format like the Competitions Archi website is really amazing when it comes to compiling all of that in one place. So you can completely explore everything about these projects that have won some of the biggest architectural competitions in the world. And also it's a really good option that you have to find some of the newer competitions and that you can actually enter yourself. Now, this year they decided to create a yearbook. So this is an architecture competition yearbooks for 2019. So all of the biggest competitions and all of the biggest winners are listed in this book, and you can explore all of the projects. It's a really nice format and the quality is quite high, and I really find it really easy to kind of go through and just analyze these projects and draw inspiration from them. Just by glancing through the book a little bit, I already got some ideas for some new tutorials for 2020. Now, if you want to win this actual book, you can. There is a giveaway, and these are the rules. So if you follow Competitions Archi on Instagram, and if you follow me on Instagram, just make sure to follow those two Instagram accounts, and then you have to go to the post that I'm going to be including with this video on my Instagram. It's of course going to be an architectural competition yearbook photo, and just leave a comment there. Just say something either about yourself, your development as an architect. Have you entered any competitions, or are you maybe planning to enter some of the competitions in 2020? Maybe it's one of your New Year's resolutions or something like that. So leave a comment at that post, and then in a week or so we will be drawing winners, and then one lucky winner will win this book. And if you want to buy this book, it is available on sale. So just follow the first link in the description of this video, and there you can go to the website and you can find this book and order it yourself. Okay, now let's talk about 2020 and my plans for this channel for this year. So far, for the past year, I have been sticking through this 3 videos a week schedule, and that's something that I would like to continue in this year as well. So you can expect videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Now, also, I have been creating these Patreon courses where I take the extra time to explain some of the advanced topics in Revit. I find that the YouTube format of this 10-minute videos that or 10 to 20 minute video that happens to work best on this platform is really good when you're working on a project and then you just want to figure something out and you want to do a quick search, get basically the answer to your question, and then continue working. Now, when it comes to learning Revit, really the long format, 1 hour or more. So a course format works a lot better, and I've had some really great comments for the courses that I have created so far that are on my Patreon. Now also I will be linking my Patreon in the description, so you can join if you want. So if you want to get access to to all of my advanced courses. Last year I filmed over 50 hours of content, and this year of course I'm continuing with that. But something that I have been playing around towards the end of last year was some more longer courses. So not the 1 hour format, but creating courses that are 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours long, where I pick a subject, for example structure in Revit, and then I completely in-depth explore everything that Revit has to offer for that particular topic. Now I found this really amazing, not only because, well, it helps you guys, but also it helps me. I've learned so much while preparing for these courses and these videos, so I would like to continue that and expand that format and do some of these longer courses. And also the format of Patreon, even though it's nice, I really like the format, I would like to have an additional website for these longer courses. So 4-hour course, 3-hour course on those advanced topics, where I can really go in depth and really grasp a complete subject. Now I'm working on creating a course website, which will be up soon. And also for the past 6 or 7 months, I've been working on a complete beginner course. Now I decided to create a beginner course for Revit beginners, where I kind of tried to create a new approach, which I think will work great, and I'll make a dedicated video for that a bit later on, where I have a bit of a different approach than any other beginner course that I have seen so far. So that's something that you should probably watch out for. And also on this website I can also post all of the other courses. And this instead of the kind of the subscription format that we have on Patreon, you just pay once and then you get access to the whole course. So that's the idea behind those. So that's something to expect in the future, but don't worry, all of the free content that I have been creating so far, I will continue to create. I really enjoy making these YouTube videos, and you have enjoyed it, so that's why I'm going to continue that. So that's just something to expect. And then of course the first regular tutorial for 2020 will be up in a couple of days as usual. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this announcement and the giveaway. So make sure to sign up for the giveaway. I think it's an amazing book, and I think you should enter to have a chance to win it. So just go to Instagram, add the competition's Archie page, and also follow me on Instagram, Balkan Architect, and add the picture that I'm going to be posting for this giveaway. Just make sure to leave a comment so you enter the competition. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this quick introduction for Balkan Architect for 2020. Thank you for watching, happy holidays, and I'll be back in a couple of days with another Balkan Architect tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.